Hi, my name is Robertson, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about TheyaVue supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about TheyaVue supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy TheyaVue, because TheyaVue is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is TheyaVue, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, TheyaVue works. TheyaVue is a 100% natural vision support formula that helps restore vision loss naturally by improving eye health. TheyaVue is a simple and effective breakthrough formula designed to sharpen blurry eyesight, reduce long-distance vision, improve low-light visibility, prevent fading eyesight and age-related vision loss, and provide other benefits. It is made with all-natural top-quality ingredients blended in exact quantities and manufactured in easy-to-swallow capsules. TheyaVue is made in the USA, and each element is tested in third-party laboratories for its purity. Every batch of TheyaVue is made by following good manufacturing guidelines under the highest standards to ensure safer results. TheyaVue is the most potent vision support formula that helps thousands of customers to recover their vision loss and attain 20/20 clear eyesight within a few days. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with TheyaVue supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test TheyaVue Pro supplement for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for TheyaVue to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, TheyaVue pills has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy TheyaVue supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that TheyaVue actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.